Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Just a reminder, this is my personal experience using the service. Zocdoc.com is a convenient online platform that streamlines the process of finding and booking appointments with healthcare professionals. Whether you need a general practitioner, a specialist, or even a dentist, Zocdoc offers a comprehensive directory of providers across various specialties. The website's intuitive interface allows you to search for doctors based on your insurance, location, and specific needs. You can easily filter results by availability, languages spoken, and even gender, enabling you to find a practitioner who fits your preferences. Zocdoc provides detailed profiles for each doctor, including their qualifications, board certifications, areas of expertise, and patient reviews. This transparency helps you make informed decisions about your healthcare choices. One of the most significant advantages of using Zocdoc is the ability to book appointments online, often with same-day or next-day availability. This eliminates the need for phone calls and lengthy wait times, saving you valuable time and effort. Zocdoc also sends appointment reminders and allows you to manage your upcoming appointments through their website or mobile app. Furthermore, Zocdoc integrates with many insurance providers, making it easy to verify your coverage and estimate your out-of-pocket costs before your visit. This feature adds a layer of financial transparency to the healthcare experience. In essence, Zocdoc simplifies the often complex task of navigating the healthcare system, connecting patients with the right providers and streamlining the appointment scheduling process for a more seamless and efficient experience. Give Zocdoc a try and see how it can simplify your healthcare journey. Remember to check the description for the link.